My mentor once said, riches are in the micro niches. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com where I post content about affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will answer the question, what is a niche? And then I will share the 5 most profitable niches for affiliate marketing. My aim is to publish videos in an easy to understand language so anyone who watches them understands the content that I share easily and clearly. So, let me start by answering the question, what is a niche? According to the Collins Dictionary, a niche is a specific area in the market that has its particular requirements, customers, and products. Let me say that in simple words. A niche is a small segment of a large market. For example, if fitness is a large market, then yoga for belly fat loss is a niche. Another example of a niche I could give is if fashion is a large market, then women's jackets is a niche. So, a niche is a small segment of a large market. For example, I usually give the cake analogy to my students. If the cake represents the large market, then a slice of the cake represents the niche. Alright? Now, let's look at the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing. Before proceeding, I want to recall a quote from my mentor. He said that affiliate marketing is not about how much knowledge you have, it's about what problem you can solve. So, whatever niche you choose, please make it a point to help people and solve their problems. Okay? So, the first most profitable niche for affiliate marketing is health. In India, 41.88% of females and 38.67% of the males are obese. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, more than 5 lakh people have unfortunately lost their lives. The number of asthma patients in India is well over 25 million and I am one of them. In fact, I've been using this inhaler for more than 2 decades now. So, if you can help people to get back into shape, etc., you can choose health as your niche. Okay? Choose this niche only and only if you are an expert at solving health related problems. Do not ever promote products that you have no idea about. Okay? If you can help people to lose belly fat, please ensure that the methods and steps that you share have worked. Many people in the health space watch a few videos, read a few blogs, take notes, and share the same points in their sessions. Please do not be that person. If you're advocating so and so, please make sure that it has worked before and you have experienced it. Okay? Another important point I want to share is that you must go deeper and find a specific sub niche. So, if health is a large market and yoga is small segment or niche, then yoga for asthma patients is a sub niche. Okay? I will also share another example. If health is large market, diet is small segment or niche, and diet for boosting digestion is a sub niche. Alright? Now let's move to the second most profitable and popular niche, wealth or make money. If you can help people to make money, you can choose this niche. People can make money through investing in stocks, mutual funds, trading, cryptocurrency, and so on. People will be ready to buy from you if you can help them to make money by any of these methods. Alright? Now let's move to the third most popular niche, relationship. Nowadays, many relationships are failing. Couples are breaking up, married couples are finding it difficult to stay in the marriage, parents and children do not have a loving relationship, and boss and employee relationship is hardly pleasant, and so on. The world is facing what I call a relationship crisis. Many friendships end because of a silly misunderstanding. The world needs people who can help them improve the quality of their relationships. So, if you can help people to have a better relationship, you can choose the relationship niche. Again, you can go deeper and choose one specific area as your sub niche. Alright? For example, if a relationship is large market, then relationship for married couples is a niche. And a relationship advice for married couples through counseling could be a sub niche. Okay? I hope the 3 niches are clear and I hope you have learned something new. I'd also like to add the 3 niches that we have covered: health, wealth, and relationship are what I call evergreen niches. By evergreen, I mean there will always be demand in these three niches. For instance, people will always want to look better. So, health is important. People will always want to make more money. So, wealth is crucial. And people will always want to have more fulfilling relationships. So, a relationship is extremely pivotal. Okay. Now, let's see the fourth most profitable niche for affiliate marketing: technology. Thanks to technology, our lives have become easier. Technology delivers entertainment and helps us share our lives and opinions more easily. The world is becoming more digital. We are entering a digital transformation, and it has brought about a software industry that is worth $500 billion. Yes, billion with a B. According to studies, the digital entertainment revenue worldwide is expected to cross $2.5 trillion by 2024. Products related to this niche include digital streaming, digital downloads, video games, business software, mobile technologies, and so on. You should also consider evolving remote working trends. Look for opportunities to help people stay connected, stay organized, and work efficiently from a work from home environment. Educate your audience and match them with the products and services they will find useful. Alright? And the fifth most popular niche for affiliate marketing is personal finance. The personal finance segment is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 20% per year. It is projected to reach over $300 billion by 2025. This niche includes e-invoicing. So if you're considering this niche, make sure to consider how age and income level may dictate which products and services are best suited to your audience. Also, please bear in mind that people want to be sure that financial products and services are safe and simple to use, as the personal desire for financial security and growth is innately strong. To become successful in the personal finance space, understand and address these desires and fears that accompany them. Your content should educate customers, giving them the tools they need to make smarter financial decisions. So, those were the top 5 profitable niches for affiliate marketing. Please note that me sharing these 5 niches does not make any other niche less profitable. There are 100 other niches that you can choose from. Okay? However, if you're not sure if your niche is profitable, I recommend you join my paid community. In my paid community, students have been able to finalize their niche in a matter of minutes. I've placed the link below to my paid community. If you join today, you will get a special discount of a hollering 82%. So click the link below and join my elite affiliate system. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.